Okay, these are like the problems before, except they're not giving us the number line, so we need to just figure out that what the coordinates are based on the numbers. When it says here, I'm going to read this here. It says, on a number line, the coordinates of x, y, z, and w are these values, -7, -3, 1, and 5, respectively, meaning the first one matches with the first one, the second one matches with the second one, the third one matches with the third one, and the fourth matches with the fourth. Okay? So if we want to know the length of xy, we would say, what's the coordinate of x? Coordinate of x is -7. What is the coordinate of y? It's -3. And remember, we need to subtract the coordinates and then take their absolute value. So we've got the absolute value of, that's the same as -7 plus +3, or the absolute value of -4, or 4. For xy, the measure of segment xy is 4. And we're going to do that for zw as well. Okay, coordinates of z are 1, and coordinates of w, 5. Remember, we subtract between them. Okay, so that is 1 minus 5 is -4, or 4 is what the measure of the length of zw is. Okay, and are they congruent? Well, they have the same measure, so we can say congruent. Or yes, comma, congruent. Okay? Do the same thing over here. Y, z. The coordinates of y and z are -3 and 1. Remember, we have to subtract between them. Okay? And that becomes absolute value of -4, which is 4 is what the length yz is equal to. We're going to do it one more time. For xw, what's the coordinates of x? -7. What's the coordinates of w? 5. And remember, we're subtracting between them, so I do -7 minus 5, take the absolute value. That we find to be -12. The absolute value of -12 is 12. So xw, length xw is 12. So are they congruent? We would say no, not congruent.